because of all of you. So again, good evening everyone, and welcome to
Add to Heart KD Lex in concert. Grabe, ang sarap talaga ng feeling. Feel na feel ko yung energy dito ngayon sa Music Museum. Woo!
Sobrang saya. Masaya ba kayo?
Siyempre masaya sila.
Kasi kami masaya kami. As in, napakasaya. Masaya ba kayo? I'm so happy to hear that. Kaya naman, kaya naman, sa aming solid sweethearts, and syempre, sa lahat ng aming solid fans, welcome. We're so happy to have you guys here.
Yes, sana okay kayo dyan, sana komportable kayo. Tonight will be a night full of music, love, inspiration, and gratitude to all of you. And of course, thank you dahil sinamahan niyo kami ni Alexa sa aming journey, most especially now dito sa aming concert. So, let's post and use the official hashtag #AddToHeartKDLexConcert.
And tonight, isi-share namin ang mga nilalaman ng puso namin. Mga bagay na espesyal sa amin. Siyempre kagaya ninyo, di ba? Espesyal kayo sa amin. Kaya naman, we hope na mag-enjoy kayong lahat dyan. Makikanta, makisayaw, makijam, makifeels with us. And alam ko, sigurado ako, this will be the kind of night, this will definitely be one of the memories that we will always add to heart. Pero alam mo ba guys, matindi yung paghahanda na ginawa namin dito para syempre to give you guys a good show. And speaking of paghahanda, feeling ko kailangan maghanda ka na.
Oo nga pala.
Kasi alam ko, madami kang prepare for them. And I can't wait for you guys to see it. Nako mga girls, kapit. Girls, gays, everyone in between, kapit. Matindi ang mga inihanda ni KD para sa inyong lahat. So, surprise!
Surprise! Ang ganda. Palakpakan natin yung suot ni Alexa. Grabe ang ganda. Thank you.
Ikaw ang dapat palakpakan. Everyone, please. Give a round of applause to KD.
Thank you so much.
You are so great.
Thank you.
Ang ganda ng song choices.
Ang ganda mo.
Alam mo, mahiya ka na lang kay Derek Loren.
Ay, sorry.
Mahiya na tayo sa magulang natin. Ganon. Anyway, alam niyo guys, one of the things that makes this concert... Love you! One of the things that makes this concert very, very special is sobrang hands-on po namin ni KD. Dito, sa buong prosesong ito, kami lahat namili ng mga kanta. Kaya naman, sobrang meaningful talaga lahat ng kakantahin namin ipa-perform namin para sa inyo.
Yes, kaya naman sobrang overwhelming talaga ang feeling namin ngayon to be with all of you. It's very memorable concert, kaya naman walang hanggan din ang masasabi.
Pag-uusapan ka pa lang namin.
Sorry, sige, labas muna.
Okay, balik ka na lang mamaya. Ayan. So, yun, backstory lang. So, last Feb, nagpunta kami ni KD sa Japan to watch Taylor Swift's concert. And grabe, sobrang thankful ako dahil hinahatid sundo niya ako. And basta, madami siyang ginagawa. He's an acts of service guy. And ang swerte-swerte ko, sana all talaga. Hindi, but I mean, I think ang best part kay KD is he does everything so willingly, walang kapalit. And, bigay niyo na sa akin to.
Pasok ba ako ulit?
Sige.
Pero I have to say something, swerte din ako sa'yo. I'm going to support you. Cheers!
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 Okay guys, tsaka po ito ha.
Hindi, tsaka sabi.
Actually, dahil mag-cheers na tayo, pwede rin ba ako makingi ng water please? Masyadong malaki ang aking damit, hindi ako makagala. Okay, mag-chikaw muna kayo.
kayo dyan? We're having a good time.
And then,
We love you.
gusto ko lang sabihin na masarap yung pakiramdam na kasama ko yung taong
You deserve the best.
bababa ko lang to baka matapon ko sa kilig eh. Tanggal angas ko. Mukha ba akong maangas na malaki kong pink chuchu? I was not going for angas. I was going for gorgeous princess.
Pero of course,
Wait, speaking of princess,
oh nga.
parang, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Yeah, something related.
So, naalala ko lang, di ba lagi tayo nagla-live?
Oo.
Whatever platform. Tapos meron sila laging nare-request. Ano?
Sige, pakis. Nice throwback. Nice throwback.
Okay guys, walang iba na. Paano po yan? Cross your heart. Thank you so much guys. Grabe. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? So, anong mga nagustuhan niyo so far? Anong favorite? Okay. So, sino dito yung bumiyahe pa mula sa malayong lugar? Oh my God, ang dami! Ang dami! Lahat. Maraming salamat po for being here. It's been such a wonderful night. It's been such a wonderful journey with you guys. Alam nyo, naisip ko kanina, kinakabahan ako. Siyempre, kinakabahan ako. Kinakabahan ka ba?
Oo naman.
So, kanina, sobrang kaba ko. Tapos, naisip ko kanina yung pinakamahirap na gagawin ko ngayon. At yun ay hindi umiyak. So, umiyak na yan! Wala ha. Pwede, pero pwede after na. So, ayan, sobrang masaya kami ni KD ngayon. Maraming salamat, everyone. Thank you, KD. Thank you. Kwentuhan ko lang kayo guys kung hindi pa tayo overtime. So, kagabi, hindi ako nakatulog kahit isang minuto. Sa tayo, as in, walang tulog, zero. Umiiyak na ako kasi ilang oras na lang kailangan ko na pumunta dito. Paano ko kakanta ng walang tulog? Hindi ko alam paano ko gagawin yun.
Pero tingnan nyo naman, ang
Ay,
husay.
hindi. Alam nyo, the Lord. Si Lord. The Lord, praise the Lord talaga. Pero hindi, gusto ko lang i-share kasi sabi ko kay Katie kanina, ikaw nang bahala sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung anong outcome na mangyayari sa akin ngayong gabi. Sabi ko, ikaw na to, no pressure, pero ikaw nang bahala sa akin. Alam kong kaya mo. And super amazing, you slayed. Slayed the house. You slayed the house. So, thank you, Katie, for being the best partner
Thank you.
ever.
Thank you, Alexa. Sure, of course. Thank you, Alexa. And you did so great. Ang champion mo, ang galing. Nandun ako sa backstage, nag-vibrate lang ako. But at this point, I'd like to share one of the things that I really like to do. I love playing the guitar. And this is for all of you. Sana magustuhan niyo. Thank you, Alexa. Thank you so much for singing with me.
The floor is yours.
The floor is...
Wait lang, medyo matagal ako maglakad. Wait lang po. Okay, game.
Okay na. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much. And wait. Thank you. Yes. Oh! Ito na.
Palakpakan naman po natin, Katie Estrada! Ang musical wonder boy ng Paranaque! Alam niyo, kanina na-mention ni Katie yung paggagawa ng kanta. So, naalala ko lang yung, actually, masaya naman, pero pressure din in a way kasi nung nasa loob kami ng PBB, parang super enjoy si Kuya magpagawa ng kanta sa amin.
Yes, ito.
Minsan 3 in 30 minutes. Tapos Christmas theme. May mga ganun. Pero, in fairness naman to us,
Nagawa natin.
nagagawa natin palagi.
Magre-reklamo pero gagawin din.
Tama! Teamwork makes the dream work. Pero you know, that was something that really made our bond stronger. Kaya kami naging stronger together. At iba rin yun sa nakakapag-validate sa akin na kaya pala, kaya ko pala makasulat ng kanta. Kinailangan ko lang pala si KD. Dahil sa kanya, dahil shinare niya yung talents niya sa pagigitara sa akin, nakakapagawa ko ng kanta. And speaking of kanta, hindi ko lang alam if naaalala nyo, pero tuwing magpo-promote kami ng concert, tinitease namin na we have old songs, we have new songs, and we have unreleased songs.
Ito na. The floor is yours. Take it.
Lagi ako nakakakita sa Twitter ng album when, album when, album when. Soon. Soon. So, bibili na, naka-add to heart na. So, itong next song na to, ayan, itong next song, pagkatapos ng Believing in Magic, this is going to be my next single, coming really, really soon. And I would just like to share it with you all para sa lahat ng mga nakakaranas ng, para sa lahat ng mga may The One That Got Away, para sa mga lagi napapaisip, ano kaya nangyari kung naging kami?
Iiyak na sila.
Iiyak na sila. Ano kaya nangyari kung hindi ako naging duwag? Ano kaya mangyayari kung naging tayo? What do you like it?
What is your...
This is the best.
The best.
This is such an amazing night.
Exhilarating.
Wow.
Oh.
This is printed in my mind forever and ever. And of course, this wouldn't be possible without the help of so many people, and I mean so many people. But before we go into saying our thank yous, dahil it's still the month of May, birth month mo pa din. So, syempre, patingin naman natin ang ating birthday boy. Humabol ka, oh.
Humabol ka.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Ayun.
Should I make a wish? Or...
Sure, of course. Cake mo yan eh. Go, make a wish. Whatever you wish.
Ay, nandito pa na yung wish ko.
Maliit na bagay. Naku, nakawala yan.
Lagi ako magaganyan pag may cake. Every birthday, I'm just gonna say that.
Ayan, so, belated happy birthday.
Thank you.
Ang programang ito ay rated PG. I'm very proud of you, proud of the man you are becoming. You know, I always want what's best for you. I'm very thankful for your existence. If I don't say that enough, thank you. Oh my God, sobrang tibay mo. Like, super galing mo as a person. Kasi may mga kaibigan kami, lagi nila sinasabi sa akin, Alexa, swerte mo kay KD. Hindi, tanggapin mo na, hindi pa contest. Swerte ako sa'yo.
Hindi, competitive ako.
Hindi, ayun. I'm just so thankful and ang saya na unti-unti kong natutupad yung dreams ko, tapos may bonus pa na ikaw nakasama. So, I hope that we can continue doing life like this.
Yes, we will. Forever and ever.
Thank you. Oh, cute, may pa-banner.
Oh, may banner.
Parang graduation mo. Ang cute. Ayan, and syempre hindi lang yung mga nandito, kundi pati yung mga team abroad, mga nag-donate, mga nag-ayos, lahat. Saan? Tita Noli, everyone, kiss. Thank you, like International Sweethearts. Everyone, each and every sweetheart. Team Bahay. Kung wala ka sa abroad, kung nasa bahay ka ngayon, thank you because we still feel your presence here with us tonight, and this still wouldn't be possible without you for making this trend, for all the efforts that you do, and maraming salamat sa lahat. I hope I didn't forget anyone. I hope I didn't forget anyone. But please know from the bottom of our hearts, we are so, what are we?
Grateful.
Yes. We are so grateful and we are
blessed
so
to have you guys.
We are so honored na sa lahat ng artistang napapanood nyo at pwede nyo suportahan, kami ang pinili nyo. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much for being here. We love
Thank
you.
you so much. And
We love you and bye-bye.
good night. Bye-bye.
Bye guys!
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.